Okay, so today, I'm gonna show you some hidden effects inside InShot that most people don't even notice, but they actually make your edit look way more professional. Effect 1, Panning plus Black Stroke. First, go to Effects and choose Cam Shake. Now, adjust the value just like I did. Make sure it feels smooth, not too shaky. Then, go to Beat. Select Black. And set the interval to 0. Add some strength. Adjust it the way you like, just a little bit. And that's it. Your panning with black stroke effect is done. Effect 2, Zoom in and zoom out. For the zoom in, place one keyframe at the start of the clip and another at the end. At the last keyframe, zoom in slightly. Now go to Ease. There's an option there that gives it a smooth motion curve. Pick that. That's your zoom in. For zoom out, do the same thing, one keyframe at the start, one at the end, but zoom in at the first keyframe instead. Add the same ease curve, and done. You've got your zoom in and zoom out animation. Effect 3, Horizontal Blur. Next, go to Effects again and choose Beats, a little to make it softer, and adjust it to fit your video like I did. Now crop it to match the second clip. And turn on Fade Out. Then duplicate it and place it at the end of your first clip. But this time, make it fade in. So basically, the first clip ends with a fade in blur, and the second starts with a fade out blur. Smooth transition right there. To spice it up, add an overlay in the middle of the clips. And apply fade in plus fade out. It'll give you that bright flash effect. Effect 4, Quality Increasing. Go to Filter and adjust the following.